Hello, everyone! This past weekend, we returned to Silver Springs State Park, one of Florida's most beautiful natural treasures. It's famous for its crystal-clear water and iconic glass-bottom boat tours. Silver Springs is located near Ocala, Florida, just about 90 minutes north of Orlando. There's so much to do here. Now, let's explore the beauty of Silver Springs State Park together. But one of the must-try experiences is the glass-bottom boat ride. These boats have been around since the 1870s, and they let you see deep into the spring waters below. You can choose a 30-minute ride or a longer 90-minute tour. The 30-minute tour is $15 per person, while the 90-minute tour is $25 per person. On our last visit, we took the short tour, and our captain Bill was amazing. He shared stories about the springs, pointed out turtles and fish, and made the ride really fun. The highlight of the tour is Mammoth Spring, the largest artesian spring in the world. It pumps out enough water every hour to fill 4 Olympic-sized pools. Divers have even found real mammoth bones at the bottom. Did you know that Silver Springs used to be owned by ABC Paramount? That's why it was used in so many movies and television shows.
They are made from an ancient substance called glass.
If you want to explore more, you can also rent a kayak or canoe. We chose the 2-hour rental, which was perfect for paddling around Ross Allen Island and down the Fort King Trail. The water is incredibly clear. You can see fish, turtles, even alligators right beneath you. Speaking of wildlife, Silver Springs is home to manatees, especially in the cooler months. There are alligators too. We saw a massive mama gator on a small island, and a group of baby gators nearby. Now let's talk about the wild monkeys. They've lived here since the 1930s, but they can be hard to find. During storms, they often move downstream, and that makes them even harder to spot. If you're planning a visit to Silver Springs, here are some tips. Visit several days after a storm for a better chance to see monkeys. Come in winter if you want to see manatees. Reserve your tours in advance. Kayaking and boat rides can sell out. You can book everything on the Silver Springs website. If you found any of this information helpful, I would love it if you would hit that like button and subscribe. If you would like to see even more fun things to do in Florida and beyond, I release a new video every week, and the best way to be able to see them is by subscribing. Also, I want to give a huge shout out to our amazing channel members. Your support means the world to us and helps us continue bringing you more content like this. There are so many amazing springs to see in Florida. If you would like to see what other Florida springs are to explore, then you're in luck because I've got an entire playlist for you that I'll pop up on the screen right now.